mother's womb. You formed me with your hands, known and loved by you. Before I took a breath, and when I doubted, Lord, remind me I'm wonderfully made. 'Cause you're an artist and a potter, I'm the canvas and the clay. And you make all things work together for my future and for my good. And you make all things work together for your glory and for your name, yeah. There's a healing light just beyond the clouds. Though I've walked through fire, oh, I see clearly now, and I know nothing has been wasted, no failure or mistake. 'Cause you're an artist and a potter, I'm the canvas and the clay. And you make all things work together for my future and for my good. You make all things work together for your glory and for your name, yeah. Oh yes you do. And when I doubted, Lord, remind me I'm wonderfully made. 'Cause you're an artist and a potter, I'm the canvas and the clay. And I know nothing has been wasted, no failure or mistake. 'Cause you're an artist and a potter, I'm the canvas and the clay. And you make all things work together for my future and for my good. And you make all things work together for your glory and for your name. You're not finished with me, you're not finished with me yet. You're not finished with me, no, you're not finished with me yet. And I know nothing has been wasted, no failure or mistake. 'Cause you're an artist and a potter, I'm the canvas and the clay. You're an artist and a potter, I'm the canvas and the clay. You're an artist and a potter, I'm the canvas and the clay.
Hey guys, I just want to encourage you, if you're having a bit of a tough time, to remember that God cares far more about the condition of your hearts than the position of your hands. So stick with it and remember that God loves you and that it's a joyful noise to Him. I hope wherever you are healthy and you are well. Bye.